severe weather may not be. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 787, effective until 12 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Dodge, Douglas, Otto, Sarpy, Saunders and Washington, and Mills County, Iowa. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 787 has been issued from 6:40 p.m. until 12 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Dodge, Douglas, Otto, Sarpy, Saunders and Washington, and Mills County, Iowa. Severe thunderstorm watch number 785 has been canceled for the following counties in Nebraska: